Jim's gone home to get dressed for the killer Caribbean feast I'm having later on tonight. Snapper, swordfish, marinating. Pork, slow smoking. Now, I'm gonna make a little killer or functified apple dipping sauce here for my pork. Gonna start off with a little dark rum here. Now, my grandmother used to do this all the time. She'd start all of her recipes with a little bit of dark rum in it. Swirl that around. Oh, you can smell that. Just a touch of applesauce here for some flavor and that consistency I'm looking for. Nice thickness. Get it in there. Now, apple and pork, I used apple wood before. Now I'm using applesauce. I'm mirroring the flavors. Get that in. Just a splash of vanilla here. That essence that really brings that round flavor up. Little passion fruit nectar. Just get that in there now. If you don't have passion fruit, you can use pineapple here, just as long as it's nice and islandy. There you go. Start swirling this around. Touch of ginger. Heat things up. That's gonna steep in there. Nice cinnamon stick. Break it. Get that in. A little bit of honey for some sweetness. And last but not least, just a pinch of allspice. Bring it to a boil now. Let it cook for 15 minutes. All those flavors are gonna get together and it's gonna make it really good. This is gonna be great with the pork. It's been 15 minutes now. Look how thick and syrupy that is. I'm gonna take a quick taste. Oh my goodness. The rum, the vanilla, the passion fruit has really worked well here. All those flavors have blended, really intensified. Just slide this off the heat now. Give that a couple minutes into a glass bowl, chill it in the fridge.